Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss differentiation chapter in which chain rule. We have discussed some examples of chain rule in last lecture. Today we have to discuss these four examples. Differentiate with respect to x. First, log of cos of x cube minus 5. Second, tan of cos of sin x. Third, 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3. Fourth, sin of root x. First example. Log of cos of x cube minus 5. Let y is equal to given function. Y is equal to log of cos x cube minus 5. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of log 1 upon x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, here cos of x cube minus 5. 1 upon cos x cube minus 5 into d by dx of cos of x cube minus 5 is equal to 1 upon cos x cube minus 5, derivative of cos of x cube minus 5, sin of x cube minus 5 into derivative of x cube minus 5, sin of x cube minus 5, that is cos the derivative of cos minus sin of x cube minus 5 into d by dx of x cube minus 5. Now d by dx of x cube minus 5 is 3x square. Therefore this is minus 3x square into sin of x cube minus 5 upon cos of x cube minus 5. Sin upon cos is tan is equal to minus 3x square into tan of x cube minus 5. This is the answer of dy by dx. First example. Now we study what is derivative of tan of cos of sin x. Second example. Find dy by dx if y is equal to tan of cos of sin x. Second, let y is equal to tan of cos of sin x. Here you have to use chain rule to differentiate the function y. We get differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan of fx, sec square fx into f dash of x. So sec square cos of sin x into d by dx of cos of sin x is equal to sec square cos of sin x into derivative of cos minus sin, minus sin of sin x into d by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x is cos x is equal to sec square cos of sin x into minus sin of sin x into cos x. This is the answer of derivative of function tan of cos of sin x. Now third example, 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3. Y is equal to 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3. This is of the type a raised to f of x. Y is equal to a raised to f of x. Then dy by dx is a raised to f of x log a. So 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 into log 5 into d by dx of sin cube x plus 3 into a raised to f of x into log a into f dash of x by chain rule is equal to 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3 into log 5. Now derivative of sin cube x plus 3 sin square x into derivative of sin x, that is cos x. So the answer is 3 sin square x into cos x into log 5 into 5 raised to sin cube x plus 3. Now for the example, sin of root sin root x. Fourth example, sin of root x. Let y is equal to given function. Y is equal to sin of root x. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiate this function with respect to x. We get derivative of y dy by dx is equal to sin of fx, derivative is cos of fx into f dash of x, cos of root sin of root x into f dash of x, that is d by dx of root sin of root x is equal to cos of root sin of root x into d by dx of root f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 root f of x, 1 upon 2 root f of x, that is sin of root x into d by dx of sin of root x is equal to cos root sin of root x into 1 upon 2 root sin of root x d by dx of sin of fx, cos of fx into f dash of x. Therefore derivative of sin of root x, cos of root x into d by dx of root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x. So the answer is cos of root x into cos of sin of root x. Cos of root sin of root x into cos of root x, 2 into 2 4 root x into root sin of root x. This is the required answer. Okay, thank you.